Oh god, oh that really works. Now I'm gonna run and do that to my boyfriend's face. Hi there, welcome to my channel Pixie. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for visiting, and I hope you subscribe before you leave. And for those of you who are coming back, thank you so much for watching me again. With no further ado, today I'm excited because we are doing a DIY, I hope I pronounced that right. And I've just had a shower, my hair is still wet, so excuse the hair, but I wanted to clean my face because, as you can see, I have really bad pores, like blackheads, and I do not like that. And I haven't done a mask for a while, so I thought, okay, today I'm going to do a mask. And I got my idea while I was having a shower, and I think my face is gone blue now this time. I don't know why. Anyway, so while I was having a shower, I thought, okay, I need to do a mask, and I was thinking I do have a activated charcoal, which I use from time to time for my teeth. Yeah, if you didn't know, you can whiten your teeth. Just dip your toothbrush in the charcoal powder and then brush your teeth for a week like that, and then your teeth will get white. Especially, that's a very good option for people who are a smoker, who smoke, and it really whitens your teeth. Anyway, so what we're going to use today, I have of course, is the charcoal powder, and if you don't, I have it as a powder. They sell it in tablets form, and you can find it in any drugstore. In any, I mean, you can find it in the pill section, and it's, oh god, just be careful because it's really, oh god, I can't even open it. All right, and this is how it looks like. It's like a powder, it's activated charcoal, and then I'm going to use the rose water that is coming from my home country. We know that this rose water cleanses and hydrates, and cleans the pores, hydrates, and give freshness to your skin. So I decided to combine that one, and then I will put a little bit of one of my favorite moisturizers. This is the Light Total Effect 7, because I want to make the mask a bit thicker, so it's easier to apply it on the face. I have this mixer I use for when I mix color for my clients. I have a little bowl which you can find anywhere, any bowl it's fine, and then I have a foundation brush. So now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients, and I'm gonna try not to spill anything out. So I'm going to get the charcoal, and then I'm just going to put like so, this amount. We don't need a lot. Then after that, I will put the rose water. I'm going to put exactly the same amount I put of the charcoal. Okay, so I have that much. I hope I don't spill it. A little bit more, and then in the end I'm going to put 2 pumps of my moisturizer. I think I can put 3, 4. Okay, so I have put the moisturizer, and now the best part is the mixing. Okay, it's a bit watery, so don't be afraid. So after it's nicely mixed, I'm going to apply that on my face. Make sure your face is nice and clean, so the mask can actually absorb on your skin and it can actually cleanse. Okay, so this is how it's going to, oh god, oh that really works. Right, I'm really excited to actually see if that works, because you know, it's like when you get the idea and you think it's going to work, but actually it does not work. And yeah, I will show you if it works actually or not. That is really good. For those of you who don't know what the charcoal does to your skin, it cleanses the skin and it absorbs so much chemicals out of your skin, and that's why it's good to be put on the skin. It just cleans your pores, so it's a really good, and that came a few years ago on the market, and it's been helping a lot of people. And I have been using the peel-off one, and it really does, but sometimes it does hurt because it's so strong. And if you've seen on Instagram or YouTube, how many people are trying to peel it off and are crying from that. So I'm going to apply that now. So now that's what I'm left with, and now I'm gonna run and do that to my boyfriend's face because I have really a lot of leftover, so I'm just gonna do his face. So yeah, now I applied on my boyfriend's face as well. He said no, but I said yeah. He's got psoriasis and his skin is it's very dry. It gets very dry sometimes, especially around here and under the eye. So I thought that's gonna be a perfect treatment for him. And yeah, so now both of you we're with the mask, and that's the first thing I did to him this morning. It's only like 9 or 10 o'clock, and yeah, so he's already struggling with me. Okay, so now we're gonna let the mask dry, and I think we should leave it for at least 20-30 minutes just to get all the dirt out of your skin, and then we'll wash it off and I will show you the final result. So guys, I tried to get rid of the mask and I tried using a scrub, facial scrub, and it's still not happening. And now I'm trying with facial wipes cleanse, because I think what happened is, oh yeah, there you go, it just absorbs so well in the skin. And oh, okay, that's how it works. So I used facial scrub, and then I'm using now the wiping, the makeup remover wipes, and that's how it comes off. So I'm giving you hands up, heads up. I say hands up, I don't know, and my boyfriend is keep laughing at me. I don't know why I'm saying hands up. I'm giving you heads up how to remove it, so don't panic when it doesn't want to come off. Just rinse it, use the scrub, facial scrub, and then whatever is left, there you go. That was easy. So now I will show you from close look how that looks like. And if you're wondering, I have changed my background again. I just did a weekly vlog of organizing my makeup, and if you want, if it's posted already, you can have a look of what I've done and how I've done it. And there you go. Okay, let's check from close look how that looks like. Oh yeah, oh my, that really did really good job, guys. Honestly, look at that. My nose is so much better. I know now it's a bit red, my skin, but I can feel my skin. That DIY actually worked really well. I'm so happy, and thank you very much guys for watching. I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope it's helpful, and I hope you give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to smile, don't forget to say what you think, and don't forget to do what you like, because that's what I'm doing. Bye, love you lots.